How are you? My class 10 English version students, hope everyone okay and fine. We also start our new chapter. Our new chapter is 5, and in the previous class we also only short brief in the nutrition of plant. Today our topics is the food and nutrition of animal and lesson 5.2. A balanced diet is need for a good health. In oxidized, it produces heat and energy. How can we get from energy? We get from energy from food. Now, in the biological hypothesis, what is food? Food means the substances of digested and balanced diet in food. It helps in repairing itself and also growing our body and also protect from the diseases and also give us energy, and diet is also another name is food. Here in the animal we also the components of 6 components of food. Here I also give the flow chart. Our first topic is the principle of ingredients. Here the principle of ingredients, we also find 3 components of food. Basically, food is also the composed of another and very chemical components. Here I also give the briefing. First is principle of ingredients. First topic is protein. Where we get from protein and why we get this protein. We also get this protein for helps in growth and repair for our body. Second is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates basically helps in producing energy. It's also the main source of food, carbohydrates. Another topic is fats and soils. Fats and soils basically produces heat and energy. So we also get every day these 3 components of food. Again I repeat, first is protein, which we get from helps in growth and repair. Second is carbohydrates. It's also we also take a amount of carbohydrates. And next is fats and oils, where we get from fatty acid and lipid. It also produces heat and energy. Another are the 3 components. Vitamins increases immunity power, minerals takes parts in biological functions, and water. And another topic is fiber or roughage. Here I also give briefly about the protein. What is the protein? Basically proteins are composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Yes, is the rare structure is nitrogen. We get from protein nitrogen is 16%. Another is sulfur, phosphorus and iron or ferrous. So we get protein from, we also take this carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and nitrogen is also 16%. The sources, the classified of proteins, we also get from proteins 2 types. One is animal protein and another is plant protein. How can we get from the animal protein? Beef, milk, egg, hen, etc. we get from animal protein. And plant protein, basically the amount of pulses, yes, amount of pulse we get from plant protein. And another topic is carbohydrates. The main compost of carbohydrates, basically chemical compost is carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and it also gives us, the producing energy. The classified of carbohydrates, we can classify the carbohydrates basically 3 categories. One is monosaccharide, 2 is disaccharide and 3 is polysaccharide. Have you any idea about mono, di and poly? I also give you a formula. This formula is CN, H2N and ON. Here this, only one, this called is monosaccharide. When this formula is 2 structure CnH2n ON and CnH2n 2n, it's also disaccharide. And polysaccharide is 20,000, 30,000 CN structure when they linked. It's also called polysaccharide. Example, monosaccharide example is the common structure glucose, fructose. Disaccharide is also sucrose and cellulose. And the polysaccharide we also know glycogen, which preserve our structure, and the starch and the main structure of plant. Structure and glycogen is another example is polysaccharide. Here our another topics is fats and oils. Fats and oils, the components of basically chemical components of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and it also link together fatty acid and lipids. How can and where we get from the fatty acid and lipids? We get from fatty acid and lipid is the butter, yes, butter and lipid structure and another etc. Okay, and the another topics is vitamins. Vitamins, basically two types of vitamins. Here the structure is first is the water soluble vitamins and the fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins basically vitamin A, D, E and K. Water soluble vitamins basically vitamin B. Basically vitamin B is B1 to 12. Its the another names is vitamin B complex and also another name is vitamin C. E. The components of E is mineral and salts. Yes, we also need the little amount of mineral and salts. The mineral and salts we get from where we get from calcium, ferrous, sulfur, zinc, sodium, potassium and iodine. Next topic is water. Yes, you know water's the another name is fluid of life. For take water we get this the body formation, elimination of waste products. And the another structure is surface. You know what is the surface? The formation of a strong fiber. Basically cellulose, cellulose is the another name is surface. Today, my dear students, in the board examination, this topic is also very important topics, food and nutrition. I also give you very shortly. In the next time, I also give you the digestive structure. Thank you.